how does it feel to be normal now? Like, how does it feel to not be doing this kind of stuff? Because, I mean, I'm sure you were doing this up until like a few years ago, no?
Yeah, Antarctica was 2015.
5, 6 years ago
उसके
now.
बाद में I, hmm?
5, 6, 2015, 5, 6. उसके बाद भी you've done something?
उसके बाद I moved here to the US. I did two small like marathon swims, 2.5K and 5K competition swims here in Gainesville, Clearwater, Florida, but nothing big. How does it feel? It's depressing, honestly, because a lot of Olympians also go through this. I think it's something called the astronaut syndrome or something. When you've done the highest thing that's possible for you, that you could have imagined, और उसके बाद में जो valley आता है, the peak and the valley.
Right.
After Antarctica, there was still some momentum. I was doing a lot of talks. I was going to colleges and speaking, but I wasn't swimming. I wasn't practicing. I wasn't achieving anything. So I reached a point where I was feeling like a fraud. I felt like मैं stage पे चढ़ के motivation speech दे रही हूँ, but I'm not practicing what I'm preaching. I don't have any motivation. I feel depressed inside. I feel nothing inside. So I stopped giving all the talks and everything. I started saying no to things. And just started the whole year I spent in depression. I moved out of Udaipur. I told my parents I'm going to go train again or do something, but I was just sitting in my apartment and just doing nothing, absolutely nothing, just binge watching shows. That 1 year period was a lull that I wasn't prepared for. Nobody prepares you for that, कि हाँ ड्रीम्स कैसे अचीव करना है. एवरीबडी टेल्स यू दैट, बट अचीव हो जाने के बाद में क्या होता है, nobody tells you that.
Damn, that's
And
so
it's
deep.
really different.
No, it really is. That's like, you were right. Like, कोई भी नहीं बताता. ठीक है, यहाँ तक की कहानी ये है. उसके बाद you're left to fend for yourself in so many ways. You're left to figure stuff out. That's so accurate. हाँ, please go on.
Yeah, and there's also this what's it called, resistance to accepting that maybe you're depressed, maybe you're going through this. Abhi to I have the ideology, I have the keywords, I have the words, I have the vocabulary to explain what I was feeling. Back then I did not know, and it was terrifying to even admit, okay, maybe this is depression. Is this what it feels like? आप बैठे हो घर में, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. There is no motivation to get out of bed. There is nothing to do. घर से बाहर निकलने का भी motivation नहीं. Of course, it's depression, but that time I didn't know. So it's a struggle. I'm sure a lot of athletes can talk about this. After the lull after the high is really terrifying, and I think that's why people just keep setting goals after goals after goals.
I think particularly for athletes, like
Yeah.
us normal folk are promised success at 55. Y'all have to be successful by 25, right? It's a whole different clock. Your pinnacle. Matlab, I wonder, what do you go to after you're done with Olympics? After you're Usain Bolt and you've ran that whatever, अब तो हो गया ना. अब अपना भी रिकॉर्ड कितना ही तोड़ेगा. 4 बार तो वो भी कर चुका है. Like आदमी फिर everything I focused up until is now complete. It's like what happens next? And it's also weird because see, Olympians, athletes, they've existed for thousands of years. But life was never 70 years old. Life has become 70, 80 years old over the last 100 years. उससे पहले when we did not have penicillin and whatnot, a simple infection would kill us. Right? So like maybe you were reaching the peak of your athletic performance near the end of your life 100 years ago. Now you have to spend 45 more years after you're done with your 25-year long career and whatever sport you play. And that is daunting. I'm sure there is a fair share of irrelevance related issues, but more so like कि यार तुम बचपन से तुम्हारा उठने का मोटिवेशन है जाके स्विम करना, एक नया चैलेंज कॉन्कर करना. अब वहाँ है ही नहीं चैलेंजेस बचे हुए, तो क्या करो? तो आई एम श्योर लाइक यू हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ अ, हाउ वुड यू से, आई हैव टू री इन्वेंट माई ओन सेल्फ काइंड ऑफ अ मोमेंट, राइट? लाइक begin a new chapter in Bhakti's story. Is it something, am I placed correctly or not?
Yeah, no, you're right. And my situation, which I can share with a lot of athletes in India who are not cricketers, is also kind of unique. बाहर कोई vacuuming कर रहा है. I don't know if you can hear it. My situation is also kind of unique because no matter how much you achieve, I have always had to start from scratch. I remember when I moved to the US for my master's and everything, I wasn't homesick or anything like that, but one day I was talking to my dad and I just broke down and I was like, and I don't usually do that. My parents don't see me breaking down and stuff like that. And I was just telling my dad कि यार हमेशा scratch से चालू करना पड़ता है. It's not like आपने 20 साल 21 साल अपने लाइफ की किसी चीज को दे दिए and now you can sit back and take the rewards, you know, financial or anything. I had to keep reinventing myself as a athlete, as a you know, in academics. There was never this idea कि 20 साल आपने swim कर लिया, you will be set for life, you will have a sustained income or something like that, or that you've made a name for yourself. तो आपको next swim के लिए sponsorship आराम से मिल जाएगा, या people will come and support you. It has not been like that. Every single swim has been about starting from scratch, has been about figuring out the wheel over and over again कि अब इस बार कैसे करना है, इस बार कैसे sponsorship लाना है. So that after Antarctica, same thing happened. Like a one year was when I was getting called for talks and stuff, but still I had to think about अब life में खुद को financially stable कैसे करना है, what kind of job will I have to do, how do I take the skills that I've learned from 20-25 years of swimming and put it into a life that, you know, I can sustain and things like that. So yeah, of course, the reinvent moment, and it's still happening. And I don't see it as a burden. I see it as an opportunity because I hate stagnation. That's my biggest fear in life कि मैं stagnant हो जाऊंगी and I'll stop growing. So I see that as an opportunity to अब और क्या नया कर सकते हैं? What part of me can I now discover in this phase of life?
If you like my style of conversation, if you think I do a good job at getting myself across to other people, and you understand how hard that can be, and you want to learn that, I have something very interesting for you. I think you should definitely check out The Art of Conversation. Yes, go check it out. Solid.